Hi, today we're going to talk about using Nearpod into your existing PowerPoint presentations. Once you go to www.nearpod.com and sign in and make a little account for free, you get this as your home screen. You have different sections that you can go into where you can meet up with other players of Nearpod. You can create your presentations. You can look at reports from presentations that you have done and explore others that have Nearpod works. But we're going to go into My Library and click on Create a New Project, and then we're going to select Files. It's going to let us upload files from your computer, or you could add slides or videos. And I'm going to download an existing PowerPoint. So now I'm going to select my PowerPoint. And there's my PowerPoint presentation. Now you can move the slides in any order that you need to, but in between where you want to add an activity, you just click Add an Activity. We're going to add an open-ended question, and it's going to pop up on the screen and allow us to enter in whatever question we want. And then the students, when you're giving your presentation, they will put their answers in their handheld device or a computer, laptop, whichever way they're interacting, and you'll see their answers come up on the screen. And another thing you can add is a quiz. So after this slide, we're going to click in the middle there and add another activity, and this time we're going to add a quiz. When that screen comes up, you type in what you want to ask and then select the answer. You can have as many selections as you want, and then hit save, and it will go back, and there's my quiz. Now you can continue on throughout your presentation, and when you are done, you can click down at the bottom there. We're going to look at Preview, and we're going to see how our presentation is going to look. So here is the preview of the presentation, slide by slide, and the questions as they come up, the students will interact and answer them. So everything looks fine. We're going to get out of there and click Save. It asks a couple questions that are going to name your project, and then it will put it into the library. When you're ready to play, you click on that you're going to play, and there is the code. The code is what the students will enter in when they go to www.nearpod.com or the app. You can also share it other ways. And there's the presentation. And as the questions come up, the students would put in their answer, and you would be able to see how they're responding and if they are getting it. So I'm going to exit out of there, and now let's say our presentation is done, and later we want to go back and see how the students did. We can go up here to Reports and view how the students responded. Not only does it give you an idea of whether they were able to answer the questions correctly or not, but each student, their interaction. So as you see It is a very nice tool, and the students enjoy being able to interact, and as an instructor, you're able to see that they're actually understanding what it is that you're trying to present. So I hope you will upload a PowerPoint and let Nearpod help you to engage your students in meaningful learning.